Sairam students, welcome back to the online classes. Hope you had your festival well and safe. Today we are going to study environmental studies. Today we will continue with our chapter number 6, our neighborhood. This is the third video of this chapter. So, what we are going to do today, we are going to do today is the book work. So kindly open your books, open your EST books, that means environmental studies books, and today we will do the book work. Okay, first we will recall all the definitions from the chapter and then start our book work. Okay, first definition is the people who live near our house are always our neighbors. Okay, so the first definition is of our neighbors. Okay, so first I'll say you have to repeat with me this definitions at least 2 times. Okay, so repeat after me. The people who live near our house are always our neighbors. Okay, repeat one more time. The people who live near our house are always our neighbors. Are always our neighbors. And learn the spelling of neighbors. NEIGHBOURS. This is the spelling of neighbors. Now see the next definition. This definition is of the neighborhood. The people, repeat after me. The people who live in an area and the places in it make up the neighborhood. Repeat one more time. The people who live in an area and the places in it make up the neighborhood. Now repeat the spelling of neighborhood with me. NEIGHBOURD. Neighborhood. Repeat one more time. NEIGHBOURD. Neighborhood. Now see the next definition. People who put out fires are called firefighters. This is the definition of firefighters. So repeat after me. People who put out fires are called firefighters. One more time. People who put out fires are called firefighters. Okay, now repeat the spelling after me of firefighters. I R E. Fire. F I G H T E R S. Fighters. Repeat one more time. F I R E. Fire. F I G H T E R S. Fighters. Firefighters. Repeat this word again. Firefighters. Okay, these are the definitions from the chapter. Now, what we are going to do, we will do our written work of book. Take out your pencils, erasers and your sharpeners. Sharpen your pencil well and start writing in your book. Okay, open page number 33 from your book. Open page number 33 from your book. See on the page number 33, there are written fill in the blanks with words from the box. It is written on the page number 33. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. See there? Here is a hint. See there? Here are some hints. These are some hints. Okay, you have to find the correct answer from these hints. First, see, people who live near our homes are our dash. First one is, people who live near our homes are our dash. See here. See the first one. People who live near our homes are our neighbors. These are our neighbors. Write down the spelling of neighbors in the first. N E I G H B O U R S. Neighbors. People who live near our homes are our neighbors. One more time I am repeating the spelling. N E I G H B O U R S. Neighbors. See the second one. We buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the dash. From where you buy all the things, all the essentials, all the fruits, groceries. From where you buy? From market. From market. So, write down the spelling of market here. M A R K E T. Market. Write down in a neat and clean handwriting. Sharpen your pencil well and then write. M A R K E T. Market. The first one is, people who live near our homes are our neighbors, and the spelling of neighbors is N E I G H B O U R S. Neighbors. And the second one is, we buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the dash. And in this dash you have to write, the answer is market. So the spelling of market is, write down M A R K E T. Market. Now see the third one. We keep our money safe in the dash. Where you keep your money safe? In the bank. So write down the spelling of bank. B A N K. Bank. The spelling of bank is B B-A-N-K, bank. The question was, we keep our money safe in the bank. Spelling of bank is, I am again repeating, write down B-A-N-K, bank. Now otherwise see from the help box, B-A-N-K, bank. This is the third one. Now see the fourth one. When we are ill, we go to the dash. When we are ill, we go to the dash. When we are ill, where we go? We go to the hospital. Write down the spelling of hospital here. Hospital. 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 When we are ill, we go to the hospital. One more time, I am going to repeat each and every question. See in your books. People who live near our homes are our dash. Who don't written, write it again. First one is neighbors. The spelling of neighbors is Neightbours. Neighbors. See the second one now. We buy fruits, vegetables and other things from the market. Write down the spelling of market. 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 Now the third one is, we keep our money safe in the bank. And the spelling of bank is B-A-N-K, bank. Now see the fourth one. Fourth is, when we are ill, we go to the hospital. We go to the hospital, and the spelling of hospital is Hospital. Hospital. Now see the next question just below on the page number 33. It is written. See the, look at these pictures. Write the name of the place below each picture. Pick the places that you find in your neighborhood. What you have to do in this question, see the pictures below. You have to name this place. Okay, first you have to see the pictures which is given on this page, and then write down the names of these places. And if any of these places in your neighborhood, then also tick in this small box. In small box you have to tick if there is any place in your neighborhood. If it is not, don't tick on any box. Okay, and if there is any place from these pictures, then tick on these box. Okay, now see the first. The first place is, what it is shown, there are small shops of fruits, vegetables. So which place is this? This is market. This is market. Write down the spelling of market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Write down the spelling of market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. The first place is market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. And if it is near your house, then tick in this blank. If it is near your house, tick in this blank. In my neighborhood, there is a market, so I tick on this blank. If there is a market in your neighborhood, then you also have to tick on this blank. Now see the next place. See, there is an ambulance, there is a nurse, there is a sign of plus, which is of what? Which is of hospital. Which is of hospital. Which is of hospital. So write down the spelling of hospital here. H O S P I T A L, hospital. H O S P I T A L, hospital. If there is a hospital in your neighborhood, then you have to tick in this box, otherwise leave this box. Okay, if there is a hospital in your neighborhood, then tick on this box, otherwise leave this box. Now see on the next page, turn the page number 34. See here, in this picture there are some people on the one side of the counter and some people are standing on the other side of the counter. So what place is this? This is our bank. Write down the spelling of bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. Write down the spelling of bank. B-A-N-K. If there is a bank in your neighborhood, then take on this blank, otherwise leave the blank. Okay, now see the next one. This is the police station. It is written also on this picture, and there is a policeman, there is a jeep of a police. So this is the police station. Write down the spelling of police station. Write down the spelling of police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Police station. Now see the next one. This is written on this picture, Vijay High School. So what it is a building of a school. Write down the spelling of school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. And if there is a school in your neighborhood, then tick on this picture, otherwise leave this picture. Leave this tick. Okay, so after this, see the next picture. In this picture, see, there are some children who are playing, and there are some trees and some people who are walking. Okay, so this is our park. So write down P-A-R-K, park. P-A-R-K, park. And if there is a park in your neighborhood, then tick on this picture, otherwise leave this box. Okay, otherwise leave this box. So this is the names of the places which is in the picture. Okay, now see what after this there are the question answer. First we do this question answers in your notebook in our next video, and then you have to write these answers in your books by your own. First I will give you the answers of these questions and you have to write this in your notebook. We will do the notebook work in our next video, and after this is your homework. You have to write these answers also in your books. You have to write these answers which I'll give in your next video. You have to write those answers also in your book. So leave these question answers now. Now what you have to do, you have to see on the next page, on the another page, there is written the another question, the last question. The first is visit the market near to you. Okay, see this question, visit the market near to you. Make a list of 10 things you can buy there. Make a list of 10 things you can buy there. So this question is your homework. What you have to do, you have to go to your nearest market and list the 10 things what you can buy from there. Okay, list out the 10 things what you can buy from there. This is your question for your homework. Now see the next question. Name any other place that you find in your neighborhood. Draw your favorite place in your neighborhood below. First, you have to find a place in your neighborhood and you have to draw the picture of that place and also color them. You have to draw the picture of that place which is in your neighborhood. Like if there is a hospital in your neighborhood, draw a small picture of a hospital. If there is a market, draw a picture of market. If there is a police station, then draw a picture of police station. And if there is a bank, draw a small picture of a bank by your own and also color it. It will be a fun activity for you. In this box you have to do this. This is all about the book work of your chapter number 6, our neighborhood. Okay, so do all the work in your book. In the next video we will do the notebook work, and when I'll give you the answers of these questions for your notebook, you also have to write the answer in your books. Okay, so thank you so much. Stay well, stay safe at your homes and study well.